Since I've become a customer with BMW Bakersfield, I have received nothing but top 10 excellent service. They greet me from the moment I walk in to the moment I leave. It's cater service, and who doesn't like to be catered to like VIP? So I currently drive a 2018 320i. I can go out of town with one full tank of gas and come back. So it was very cost efficient and gas saver. As a local real estate agent, I'm constantly running into people all the time in everything that I do. And the first thing they say when I drive up to any appointment is, "Oh, I love your car." And so I say, "Yeah, you know, go to BMW Bakersfield. They'll take care of you there. That is where I get all my cars." I would definitely recommend BMW Bakersfield to my friends and family, and I already have, and I always do.